Alright guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can use a few cool tools in order to get a better following, I guess. So I use this really cool program. It's called Canva. Canva is pretty interesting. You can make just about whatever you want. Like you can make thumbnails, you can make videos, you can make logos if you want. Like just here is one I made. It's really cool, cute little panda. I made it for my YouTube channel that I have going on. I have a few different YouTube channels. I have this one. It's called Affirmations right now. I have a few other ones. This is the one I'm working on right now with that one as well. Figured I'd combine two different niches. So I'm getting a little bit of traction on it. So all my graphics and my logo I made in Canva. It's free to use. Paid version's not too much if you want it. I don't use it, but you can use it if you want to. You can make pretty much whatever you want. Make Twitter, you can make animations, posters, presentations. But the video I found you can't make on your phone. You have to use a computer. But that's okay. So yes, you can do that. And you can also do, you can use different programs. Like, let's see, there's a few different ones. Like Filmmaker, you can make little small films and skits, put them together. Pretty interesting. So in Canva, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you can make small skits together. Like, let's see, you can make go ahead and make a logo, I guess. No, we're not going to make a logo. We're going to make a YouTube thumbnail. That's what we're going to make. So for our YouTube thumbnail, we're going to make go ahead and use this. I'm going to start out with nothing. So you can do, come through, you can add an illustration. It's interesting. I gave me the option on this one. That's annoying. So what do we want to make? Got a bunch of free images here you can use. What am I going to make? Something a little bit more abstract, I guess. You can make this whatever you want. this one, I'm going to do one where I talk about growing your following, both day and night. Basically do whatever you want as far as this goes. Change the font. You can make it bigger if you want. For the sake of this video, I'm going to make it as quickly as possible. You can basically take this and you can put it as a thumbnail if you would like. Using this process, I found it was easier for me to make some different cool thumbnails, so I made this one. How to upload videos to your website, how to make your Twitter go viral, anxiety and depression, learn how to stop it before it stops you, news now, viral news, variety news,